We from Bharati Vidyapit Dental College and Hospital Navi Mumbai would like to demonstrate the donning and doffing methods in easy steps for the protection of our healthcare workers. Before we start with the donning demo, we would like to brief you on a few pre-donning instructions. The healthcare worker must be prepared for the clinical work by taking a meal, using the washroom, and drinking adequate amount of water prior to entering the donning area. The donning is to be performed in a designated area only. The healthcare worker has to remove all accessories, jewelry, and change into hospital scrubs with head cap and closed washable footwear. The healthcare worker then has to perform hand hygiene.
8 steps to hand rub as recommended by the World Health Organization. Total duration is 20 to 30 seconds. First step, apply a palmful of the product in cupped hands covering all surfaces. Second step, rub hands palm to palm. Step 3, right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Step 4, palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Step 5, backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Step 6, rotating the rubbing of the left thumb clasped in the right palm and vice versa. Step 7, rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. Step 8, once dry, your hands are safe.
Now we proceed to the donning instructions. Step 1 involves wearing the first pair of gloves. The first pair of gloves may either be sterile or unsterile. The healthcare worker has to make sure the cuffs of the gloves go as high as possible. The second step involves wearing the shoe cover. The healthcare worker has to sit on a clean stool, wear the shoe cover and pull it up till the calves. Step 3 is examination and wearing of the coverall. Closely examine the coverall and make sure that there are no tears or defects. First start by wearing the leg sleeves. Then the arm sleeves. Zip up and cover the zip with the flap attached. Finally, tie the strap on the waist to tighten the coverall. Step 4 is wearing of the N95 mask and the hood. Hold the N95 mask like a cup in your hand. Place the mask on your face. Pull the straps and fasten them behind the ears. Check for minimal air leakage by forcibly exhaling. Now wear the hood covering the forehead and the side of the face. Step 5 is wearing the face shield. Step 6 is wearing the second pair of gloves. The second pair of gloves have to be sterile gloves. You are now ready to enter the clinical area. We will now demonstrate the doffing procedure. First, remove the outer pair of gloves. Sanitize the hand with alcohol-based sanitizer for at least 30 seconds.
8 steps to hand rub as recommended by the World Health Organization. Total duration of the entire procedure is 20 to 30 seconds. Step 1. Apply a palmful of the product in cup hands covering all surfaces. Rub hands palm to palm. Step 3. Right palm over left dorsal with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Step 4. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Step 5. Backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Step 6. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Step 7. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. Step 8. Once dry, your hands are safe.
Remove the face shield. Remove the hood and the gown in inside out manner. Remove the shoe cover. Remove the N95 mask. And finally, remove the inner pair of gloves. Hand sanitize again with alcohol-based sanitizer for 30 seconds. Thank you.
The PPE is doffed and the face shield, which can be reused by autoclaving, has to be wrapped in a green cloth. After wrapping it in a green cloth, it is taken to the autoclave for the purpose of sterilization. After it has been removed, the disinfectant is sprayed all over the area, as this is the area where the maximum cross-contamination can occur.